Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon price prediction and Dogelon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon in 2022. Dogelon is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. 2 random milestones. The Dogecoin community sponsored the Jamaican bobsled team for the Sochi Winter Olympics. In 2014, the community raised money to help Doctors Without Borders treat victims of Ebola by one day. No contact MSF Dogecoin game fundraising event meme value. A meme coin is generally defined as a coin with no intrinsic utility, but whose value is based on a passionate community of followers. They have low values, with most available for a few cents, and huge or unlimited supplies. There are now thousands of meme coins, but Dogecoin is notable as the one that started it all. The coin was founded on Dec. 2013 by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Both of them are software engineers. Created to satirize BTC, but became the second most popular cryptocurrency after BTC in terms of users. Since then, other meme coins have also seen huge growth, namely Shiba Inu, Dogelon and Floki Inu. Reflections on meme token Dogecoin has been a success, but the huge volatility influenced by celebrities means high risk. Of course, meme tokens are easy to launch, not expensive to maintain, and have a large degree of community ownership. But that doesn't mean you can go all in on meme tokens. In contrast, meme tokens are not easily recognized and supported by celebrities with similar feelings. Meme tokens have very few usage scenarios, which is very different from the chain or DeFi protocol token. In addition, some meme tokens do not support smart contracts, and there are no ecosystem applications for pure meme tokens. So, the success of Dogecoin is just an example of probability. You can try meme tokens as a hobby, but not for investment. At least, it's not a good choice to all in. $104 price regions respectively. It's worth noting that Musk has a strong affinity for Dogecoin, and the 50-year-old multi-billionaire never misses a chance to hype his favorite altcoin. Last May, crypto news reported that SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket manufacturing firm, had accepted Dogecoin, Doge, as payment from Canada's Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, to launch the Doge 1 satellite to the moon before the end of Q1 2022. SpaceX launching satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon, tweeted Musk at the time. And second news, Elon Musk says he's not selling Bitcoin amid high inflation. Elon Musk tweeted, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin," in response to CEO Mitchell Saylor, discussing the collapse of weaker currency. Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, says, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin" as a signal for the holding of assets in times of high inflation. Mitchell Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, states that weaker currencies will collapse, in reference to high levels of inflation. Musk also said it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, attempted to both question the likelihood of continued inflation over the next couple of years, and soothe concerns of his followers looking for advice as it relates to dealing with inflation, by stating, "I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin." What are your thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years? Musk asked his followers. With an inflation rate of 7.9% reported for the month of February 2022, this represents the highest levels of inflation since January 1982. Energy remained the biggest contributor, 25.6% versus 27% in January, with gasoline prices surging 38%, 40% in January, reported the Trading Economics. As a sentiment most would echo, the founder of Tesla encouraged his followers to pursue assets outside of cash when inflation becomes rampant. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own. Dogecoin had a 26% share of Robinhood's total revenue, which reached $565 million. Memecoin thirsty users have been begging the popular online trading platform to add support for Shiba Inu. Robinhood, however, keeps dragging its feet on the much coveted listing. As of now, Robinhood users are able to buy and sell 7 cryptocurrencies. However, most of them are still not able to withdraw coins to third-party wallets. During its most recent earnings call, the company also revealed that it would start expanding cryptocurrency trading internationally in 2022, claiming that the crypto economy has immense potential. And second news today, check these Ukraine NFT projects against the Russian invasion. Individual Ukrainian NFT artists. In addition to the established NFT projects above, Ukraine is also home to a large number of independent NFT artists. Details about some of these independent artists have been shared by the NFT platform Orca, while a community-curated list of artists has been shared by Nick Kalyani, an NFT collector and founder of the Web3 development organization Decentrology. Non-fungible token, NFT, art projects made in support of Ukraine have seen a surge in interest lately, with many artists both in Ukraine and elsewhere jumping on the chance to contribute to the cause. To help readers get an overview of the many projects that now exist where proceeds go to support Ukrainian people in various ways, here is our list of some of the Ukraine-related NFT projects to date. Legendary boxer Vladimir Klitschko, the brother of Kyiv Mayor Vitaly Klitschko, has launched an NFT collection called Vandals for Ukraine. Wiztex Vladimir Klitschko on the OpenSea marketplace to aid his homeland. The proceeds from the sale will go to Red Cross Ukraine and UNICEF. Prices be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.0001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.0001543 with a low price. The level is $0.0001318.